Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for clever comparisons and sharper shopping decisions. Today, we're soaring high with a drone showdown between the DEERC D70 and the LMRC-12. Buckle up, because this ride is going to be full of twists, turns, and let's dive in. First up, the price. Both these flying wonders are priced at $79. Yep, you heard it right. For the price of a fancy dinner for two, you can own a mini flying machine. Now, if only they could deliver pizza too. Let's talk user-friendliness. The DEERC D70 is like the friendly neighborhood drone. It's got one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and even headless mode. Perfect for those who can't tell their north from south. Reviewers say it's a great option for beginners and adults, making it highly recommended for those looking to delve into drones. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 is like your tech-savvy cousin who knows all the shortcuts. With headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photo video, it's basically saying, "Look ma, no hands." Reviewers praise its ease of use, especially for kids, and multiple speed options. Now, for the camera buffs out there, both drones come with a 1080p HD camera. The DEERC D70 promises to capture high-quality aerial photos and videos, while the LMRC-12's camera comes with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. So if you want to capture those awkward family barbecue moments from above, both drones have got you covered. But with the LMRC-12, you can get that perfect angle to avoid Uncle Bob's bald spot. Reviewers were generally satisfied with the camera quality of both drones, though some noted the DEERC D70's camera quality could be better. Let's get to the fun stuff. The DEERC D70 is like a carnival in the sky. Tap fly, voice control, gesture selfie, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. It's got more tricks than a magician on caffeine. Reviewers mention the DEERC D70 is durable and provides hours of fun. The LMRC-12 isn't far behind. It's got path drawing on the app, 3-level flight speed, and a brushless motor for a quieter, longer, and more stable flight. It's like the drone equivalent of a Tesla, minus the autopilot. Reviewers loved its stability and ease of use. And now, the flight time, the Achilles heel of drones. The LMRC-12 boasts a whopping 26 minutes with its dual high-capacity modular batteries. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. The DEERC D70, however, decided to keep its flight time a secret. Maybe it's shy, or maybe it just wants to surprise you mid-flight. Who knows? Reviewers didn't highlight any major issues with the flight time of either drone. Both drones come with solid customer support. The DEERC D70 offers 7*24H full-time after-sales service and a 1-year replacement for free. Plus, they've sold over 1.5 million units. Talk about street cred. Reviewers appreciated the quick delivery and reasonable cost. The LMRC-12 also has your back with US certification and professional technical support. They're ready to help you out with anything from taking pictures to landing the thing. It's like having a drone therapist on speed dial. Reviewers found the support to be helpful, despite some initial setup difficulties. Overall, reviewers found the DEERC D70 to be a great option for beginners with good build quality and durability, though the camera quality and flight time could be improved. The LMRC-12 was praised for its stability, ease of use, and value for money, though some users faced initial setup issues. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're leaning towards the fun-packed DEERC D70 or the tech-savvy LMRC-12, both drones offer a lot of bang for your buck. If you've enjoyed this high-flying comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. And hey, drop a comment below on which drone you think is the ultimate Sky King. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.